So hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of parking slot allocation system using Raspberry Pi. Actually the main concept of this project is we are going to reserve the parking system using automated number plate recognition technology, which is to be formatted by the Raspberry Pi. So let us see what are all there in this project. So this is the abstract and a brief introduction and existing system. So in existing system, we know very well that the technology what we are using in a normal parking slot, either you need to go and get the tokenized system, or you can use a RFID technology where you can able to scan identification tag at the entry of the parking slot, and while you are coming out from the parking slot you need to again scan the RFID tag, so it will collect the charges based upon the timing. So this is the existing system, but here in the proposed system you no need to carry any tags or any kind of identification thing. So whenever you enter into a parking slot, or Raspberry Pi integrated with a camera, that camera will identify the number plate and it will automatically register the parking slot, and it will inform to go and park to the particular slot. So this is our proposed system, and it is our block diagram. Here in the block diagram you can see we use a Raspberry Pi 4 model which is integrated with a camera and a SD card, and here the IR sensor 1, 2, 3 are connected with the Raspberry Pi. So these IR sensor will be fixed in the parking slots, so whenever the parking slots is occupied or it is empty, then the information will be passed through these IR sensors to the Raspberry Pi, and all the information will be taken to the IoT, and a software application or mobile application has been developed from the server to monitor and book the slots. So these are all the system requirements. So let us see the project demonstration. So this is the complete hardware setup. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 IR sensors connected with the Raspberry Pi. So each sensors have 3 different connections. 2 is for power supply and 1 is for data. So here the IR sensors digital data will be collected in the digital pins of Raspberry Pi. So here we used Raspberry Pi 4 module integrated with a camera. Let us start execute this program which we already programmed inside the Raspberry Pi. So this is the complete program. Here the program integrated with the IoT and a camera. So here you can for number plate we already taken a printout and kept there. So the camera was placed in front of that number plate, so it will automatically identify the number plate, and the number plate after identifying the number plate, so using the IR sensor we can alert so which slot was occupied by which vehicle, like that. So this is the IoT page. Here you can see the different slots. So the slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, like that. So here the slot 2 was booked by the vehicle. And coming to the full report, actually the project full report was about 48 pages. So starting from the abstract introduction, existing proposed block diagram, and system requirements like hardware and software requirement, literature review, module descriptions, and these are all the hardware descriptions. So whatever the hardware you use we clearly described here. So the information about Raspberry Pi, IR sensors, cameras, IoT technologies, finally with the reference paper and conclusion. So it's about 48 pages. This is the contents included in this report. So if you require this project, or if you want to develop your own idea, or if you want to enhance this project, you can contact us, and we have several ideas, and you can also check our YouTube channel for more different project ideas. If you require these type of projects, you can contact us. The number was given in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and keep on update. Thank you.